had a few people ask me for an update on the Northridge Minecraft world. Um, so I figured I would give you one. This is an overview of the map that we're currently working under, and I will show you some stuff that we now have done. Let me go to fly mode. Okay, so this is the street. This is Hillfield Road, out in front of our school. Stoplight. Somebody decided to recreate the car crash that happened out in front of the entrance to the school. There's the school from a distance with the parking lot, lights, the end, all the trees are in, tennis courts here, driver's ed range. And yes, if you look at Google Maps, this is actually how the driver's ed range is structured. You can practice on it. Football field looks even better than it did before. They got the track is now done. They got the concession stand, visitors bench. They got the announcer's booth done, scoreboard. Okay. Back corner of the school back here. I think those lights are awesome. Softball field. The soccer practice field. They even included all the sheds. Oh, that's the shot put, I think. Baseball field. And remember, this is to scale. So if you were to hit a home run, it would be exactly the right distance. Okay. Here's D building. And all the schools or all the external, all the topiaries are all finished. I'll take you down into D building. So the school district, I got a message from the school district. They're going to do a thing about it, about the Minecraft project. They have asked that I not show, if we're going to make videos and put them on YouTube, I'm not supposed to show any inside the school areas that are not public. So like the gym is public, the outside is public, obviously. So I'm going to show you some stuff. I won't go into C building and show you specific classrooms for this video, but I'll show you some stuff. I like it. They did a special trophy for You Tried Goodly for the trophy case out in front of the gym. Here's the small gym. Here's the main gym. Looks like they haven't finished the basketball hoops yet or the scoreboard, but they got the track up. Got all the bleachers done. Very cool. The weight room's done. Okay. Outside, I can show you from the outside. Here's some of the classrooms that they have, because this is public, because it's from the outside. Here's some classrooms that are finished. You look in. They got a student that had attended a class in each one of these classrooms so that they could have them laid out properly. Due to spacing concerns, they're like, for example, my classroom doesn't have as many desks as it should, just because they don't fit the way they did, but they did it as good as they can. So they have front of C building. Here's some teachers had a lot of posters and stuff. So like this is Mrs. Guyman's room. They put a bunch of posters up. Oh yeah, they put a thing on there. It says, I think therefore I am. If I think about thinking, am I am. That's for Mrs. Guyman. There's a note on each teacher's board, specifically something to do with their class. It's kind of cool that they did it. Here's the offices for the different administrators. You guys can see there's Mrs. Powell's desk. Here's the main office, the entryway. Okay, I can take you down in here because from the front door to the auditorium is considered a public space, so we can look in here. Okay, so here's the knight statue. They decided just to put an iron golem is what it's called because it looks like a guy. Normally it would be trying to attack me right now, but they figured out a way to put a digital fence in so that it can't get out. So it's basically stuck in there and not able to move. Okay, here's the commons. Even the skylights are right. Got the flags. They have the soundboards they put up. There's the lunchroom. Here's the auditorium. I don't think the auditorium's done yet, but they're working on it. Oh yeah, they started putting the chairs in. That is so cool. Need to get some more lights though. And then down to the stage. There's a whole bunch of theater kid jokes on there, but it's too dark to see. This is really cool. They made a custom thing to make it look like lockers. Isn't that neat? So they actually designed something to look like a locker so that they could put the lockers in. And they did them all teal. Wonder where the sword and the stone went. They had a sword and the stone thing up for a while. I guess they got rid of it. There's the end zone. The office conference room. Main office. Oh, they even added... They even added the COVID sign. Stays 10 feet apart. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, that makes me really happy. Okay, what does that say? Oh, it's a joke. They leave jokes for each other sometimes. Here's external. They've really, man, it's crazy. So here's A building from the outside. They even have the teacher's lounge. They had to draft me to do the teacher's lounge because none of them had ever been in there before. The trees around the side. My pine tree in the back. Oh, this is really, really cool. I'm going to show you this. This is neat just because it's what they've done. So Minecraft doesn't have a thing to do bay doors like garage doors. And so they did a thing where this fills in with blocks, but if you approach it, it automatically opens. So they figured out a way to do garage doors without there actually being garage doors. There's my room with my computer lab in there. Mr. Shaw's room. The bay door to the auto shop. The auto shop sheds. They're going to put some random junk cars out here so that there's cars around the auto shop. The band room and the theater rooms they're working on right now. This is the auditorium, which is quite difficult because if you look at the auditorium, it's actually at a 45-degree angle to the rest of the school. And if you understand Minecraft, everything is based on 90 degrees. And so to do something at a 45 becomes very, very difficult. So they designed the entire auditorium using 45-degree angles, and it turned out phenomenally well given the difficulty of the project. The seminary building is out back. Looks like they got to finish the sidewalk still. But there's the little flower bed and the lights and stuff. Each of the seminary classrooms inside. They still need to do the practice football field outside. They're also planning on doing the daycare. The outside playground for the daycare is going to be right there. It's just nuts. If you understand, let me show you. If you don't know Minecraft, let me just show you. Okay, that's one block. Okay, so think about how many blocks have actually been placed to build all of this. It's absolutely crazy. Okay, it's absolutely crazy. We're talking, I don't know. It's gross. Like, I'll do the math and figure out how many blocks this actually took to build. But that is just one block sitting there, and think about how many blocks this whole school took. The kids are doing computer programming to make this happen. They're doing project management. They're doing teamwork. They're working together. It's awesome. The things that they're learning from this are just absolutely amazing. And the work that they're doing is just crazy. So each block is 1 meter by 1 meter. They have used Google Maps. They've used floor plans that are publicly available, but they've used floor plans. Each room is its exact size, as close as they can get it in 1 meter by 1 meter increments. The buildings are all the exact size that they are in real life. The distance, if you walked from the main office to the football field, is the exact distance that it is in real life. The distance from the football field to the edge of the driver's ed range. The distance from home plate of the softball field to the home run fence is the exact distance it is in real life. Home plate to the home run fence on the baseball field is exact distance that it is in real life. It is so good. Let me see if I can fly. Oop, no, I want to fly up. I'm going to fly up and kind of give you guys a... Whoa, I flew into the clouds. Oops. Let me give you guys kind of a view. So look at this from really high above. And then I want to show you... Where did it go? Here it is. This is it using Google Maps. I mean, just look at how accurate it is. It's mind-boggling. It's mind-boggling to me what they've done as far as like the exact and the accuracy and everything else that they've done. So good job to my students who are throwing this together. Y'all deserve straight A's for this. This is just crazy. So I'll give you guys an update when it's fully completed. The school district wants to do a little video / story about what the kids are doing. Hopefully we'll see that, and I'll talk to you guys later.